They say being far from home is a choice, but for many of us, it is a sacrifice. When I wrote Kure Kure, I knew the pain of being away, but I didn't realize how many of you were carrying that same heavy heart. I've spent hours reading your comments, and today I want to give your stories a voice because you are not alone. From Malawi, Piliran Kasusu tells us she is far away just to provide for her children. In South Africa, Brenda Kuvea says that even though she is across the border, her heart and mind are always back home in Zim with her family. As Agatha prayed, Mwari tichengetewa inzwaiwa minamato yadu. Lord, hear our prayers. We are living Musango in the wilderness of foreign lands, working, struggling, and hoping for a better day. Shilin and Tabona, we feel your pain. Living in the land of strangers is never easy, but perhaps the heaviest weight of all is the news we receive from a phone call. Benjiwe in Cube shared the heartbreak of losing her father just hours after speaking to him. In Rhoda, she found out her mother was gone before she even knew she was ill. To those of you grieving alone in a cold city, thousands of miles from your family, we stand with you. Your tears are not forgotten. To our soldiers like the ones Tsitsi and Linmari mentioned, and to every worker in the diaspora, stay strong. Tafadzwa Goredema reminded us that although the road is not easy, one day this struggle shall be history. To my mother, Memory Goredema, and to every one of you watching this, it is well. Very soon we will be back. Until then, keep the flag flying high in your hearts. We are together, no matter how far. Kure Kure.